I think it's a salmon, dude. Because it could have jumped and it didn't.
You can bring it in. I don't have to release.
You're released though, aren't you?
Yeah.
Just let it release. Oh, big deal.
Gotta put my seed bag in.
Yeah, could you do that?
Got it?
Yeah. Yeah, it's a salmon. It's running. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. I want to get away from that fucking anchor line.
Damn it.
Okay, we're floating free now, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hope my buoy don't float. You know, if that fucking buoy floats on down,
It's taking line.
I lost everything. I forgot to tie off the damn thing on my basket. That's what happened. Is it a keeper?
I don't know. I haven't even fucking seen it yet. I hope it is. Fucking steelhead would have been worn out by now. That fucking pole bent over. The old ugly stick. Jesus Christ. Come on, fish. Maybe he's tiring. Okay, here he comes. Oh, it's got a fin. Son of a bitch. And there he goes. He's pulling line. Fuck, it's probably 25 pounder. Do you see the size of it?
Yep. Well.
Ugh.
You want the pliers to pull the hook out?
Yeah, I'm gonna need the pliers. Ugh. Come on, fish.
Suppose you want them in the net to do that?
Probably, because we ain't gonna be able to hold him and do it. Get him corralled in the net and then fucking fuck with him that way. Otherwise, he's just gonna keep running, splashing us and shit.
And then you have to step forward.
Whoa. He's taking line.
Well, you quit farting around with just bring him in.
Relax. It's a big fish, dude. Did you see that fucker? I'll bet he's 25 pounds. I gotta let him go, so I might as well enjoy the fucking dance. This ought to put a bullet up my dad's ass to get out here. Come on, you fucker. Okay, he's coming up here. Just relax. He's got to lay over before we're going to do anything. getting tired. The old ugly stick. I sure like him. God, he just stops me dead. Just got shoulders on this thing. Jesus, he just fucking sits there and stops me. Take it light. Fuck me. Relax.
Well, there's a bunch of fish going through. Look at them on there. That screen's just full of them.
You gonna put green on? Look at that slab. Y'all relax. You ain't even, it ain't even ready to get netted and you're gonna go stabbing at it? Shit. Let me get it head first, laid on its side, coming to you. Now I don't think it has a fin. Let's look again.
We'll find out when we get it in the net.
God damn it. Ugh. He fucking is muscle, man. I think he's a legal one. Jesus Christ, Pepper. There's a nub, but it's not a fin, I don't think. Fuck, I like steelhead better. I could be sitting down relaxing mine now. Jesus Christ. This fucker's a pig. He don't like your boat. He don't like that color on your boat. You want, maybe we bring him to the other side of the boat. That might make it easier. Let me come over top of you. Yeah, go like that. Let me get him on the other side of the boat. That way the boat's running us over right now, you know. This way it'll bring him up to the surface. Get him to lay over. Come on, you fucker. Look at that slab. That's just a nubbin. That ain't the fin.
That's a fin.
You sure?
Yep.
Well, let's get it corralled and look at it. Fuck, this thing's wearing my ass out, man.
We'll be down in the pilings if we.
Yeah. Well, if you want, fire the boat up and kind of take us out. I don't.
I'll drive up so you don't get tangled into it.
Well, this fucker ain't giving in. Well, maybe. Come here, you fucker. Come here, you fucker. Fucker. He's slowly tiring down. Come here, you. And he's starting to lay over. Yeah, that's a fin. Okay, Pepper, get ready. Almost. God damn. Come on, you pig. Oh. Come up. The circles are getting smaller.
In deeper water, that's why he's moving more.
Okay. Get ready. Get ready. Oh, almost. Almost. One more time. He's almost ready. Come here, you bugger. Okay, he's coming around. Let's get him on his side a little bit. Where are you going? Come here. Okay, here he comes. Let's get him on his side. Get ready, get ready, get ready, get ready. Oh, he didn't go that far. Wait, 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 wait. I'll get him to come around. Where's that bead? Okay, there's the bead. Okay, get ready. Here it comes, here it comes. Stab. Get, oh, you missed him, buddy. I hate that. Get ready. Get ready, get ready. Wait, wait, I gotta get him turned. Nope. Nope, nope, that's by the tail. That's how you lose them. Never by the tail. Head first. Well, I'm trying. Nope, nope. Okay, here it comes. Here it comes, Pepper. Stab. You got him. Okay, just leave it in the water and trade locations. Where's the pliers at? Okay, come over here. Ow. Boy, it's a big one. Look at the size of this bastard. And I gotta get it unhooked. Well, I guess the thumb's gonna get chewed on here. I gotta get in the gill here. God damn it. I gotta
You get a hook in your finger.
I know. I know. There's the hook. Come on, pliers. Almost. 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 He's hooked multiple times. Come on. You fucker. There. Okay. Hang on a second. Hang on. Let me get the weight out of there. Wait. Hang on. Where's this weight fucked up at? Okay, Pepper, let me have the net. You take my pole.
Give it here.
Take that. It's gonna take the pole. Take the pole.
Let go.
What a big bastard. Yeah, full fin. Okay, Pepper, take the net.
Got it.
What a nice one. Look at that baby. Chrome. Has sea lice on it. About 25, I'm guessing. Yep, that's a full fin. There he goes. And he's gone. Buddy, we're in trouble. We got to get away from this shit.